All right, it's time for another hieroglyph. So what is this one that looks kind of like arms? And how was it used in ancient Egyptian? That's what we'll get into in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you click subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. All right, so as you might have guessed, this is a picture of arms, probably meant to be embracing arms, as in like sort of giving you a hug. So how is this one used in ancient Egyptian? Well, this sign actually stands for two consonants, K and what we call Aleph. So in modern times, we pronounce this Ka. And you might have heard of this word Ka before because this is actually a part of the person in ancient Egyptian beliefs and thought. So the ancient Egyptians believed that people had many parts to them during both life and death. And the Ka is one part that existed during life and also after death, and continued to need sustenance, that is food and drink and so forth, after death. And this is the main reason why offerings were brought to people who had died to their tombs. And if you want to know more about the Ka, I do have another video on that. I will link that for you in the description and in the cards. So you'll see this used that way, but you'll also see this sign used in other words that have the same sounds. It's not just for this particular word. So for example, it can be used in the word kaut, which means work or works. And so you'll see this oftentimes in reference to royal building campaigns or to people who have high positions overseeing royal building projects. All right, I'll see you in the next video.